Anyone in the community to have access to this service anytime.
During the hurricane, Bon Secours St. Francis is offering people a way to get some health care from home.
Yeah, the Bon Secours 24/7 app is going to put you in touch with a doctor within minutes.
And the hospital wants everyone to have access to this resource as they wait out this hurricane. 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell has our story.
What happens if you need to go to the doctor during Hurricane Florence? Bon Secours St. Francis has an answer. Their 24/7 app allows patients to connect with a provider virtually as soon as possible. And as upstate residents weather the storm, they'll have free access to this service, which usually costs $49.
You can actually have a virtual visit with a board-certified physician, a certified physician assistant, or a licensed nurse practitioner, who can address more of the low acuity needs that you might have.
You'll communicate with your doctor via video chat. Think Skype if you're on a desktop. If you're using the mobile app, you'll still talk to them on video. Think FaceTime.
Providers can handle non-emergency needs for adults and kids, so things like ear infections and sinus infections. And the service is available 24/7.
After you register, you can choose a provider, or you can wait in line, which for me, it was 1 minute. The provider came on, and I told her my symptoms, and I had a prescription called in. It took us less than 15 minutes.
She says anyone in the area can use it, whether they're locals or evacuees, and if need be, get their prescriptions filled. Pharmacists are already seeing evacuees.
You'll order extra medicine?
The ones that we see that we know we're going to go through, your blood pressures, your cholesterols that people may need, more higher volume medications. We certainly do plan for that provision.
In Greenville, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
So to get Bon Secours' 24/7 free app, type the code Florence, and we'll post the link to the service. It's on our website, WSPA.com.